Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into WGER, a self-hosted, open-source fitness tracker. It's got a massive community behind it, and it's really interesting.
Oh, I'm excited to hear about this. Self-hosted, you say? That implies a certain level of technical expertise for setup, right?
Yeah, you're right. But they offer a Docker Compose setup, which simplifies things considerably. It's a lifesaver for those who aren't super comfortable with server administration. They even have a demo you can run with a single Docker command.
A demo? That's brilliant for showcasing the software. What kind of features does WGER offer? Is it just tracking workouts, or is there more to it?
It's a pretty comprehensive suite. Workout tracking is a big part of it, obviously, but it also handles nutrition and weight tracking. Think of it as a personal fitness management system, all in one place. And it even has a REST API, which is amazing for integration with other apps.
A REST API? That opens up a world of possibilities. Could you elaborate on that a bit more? What kind of integrations are we talking about?
Well, you could potentially integrate it with other health apps, create custom dashboards, or even build your own fitness-related tools on top of it. The possibilities are really only limited by your imagination, you know? It's pretty exciting.
I see. So it's not just a simple tracker, it's a platform. But being self-hosted, there's the issue of maintenance and updates, right? How does that work with WGER?
That's a valid concern. They use a pretty standard Git workflow, so updates are managed through the usual pull requests and releases. The documentation is quite thorough too, which is a big plus. It's very well maintained.
That's reassuring. And what about the licensing? Is it completely free to use and modify?
Absolutely. It's licensed under the AGPL 3.0 license, which is a very permissive open source license. It's completely free to use, modify, and redistribute. However, the initial exercise and ingredient data has additional Creative Commons licenses, so you'll want to check those details.
Good to know. So overall, it sounds like a powerful and flexible tool for fitness enthusiasts and developers alike. The combination of a feature-rich application and a robust API is quite compelling.
Exactly. And the fact that it's self-hosted gives you complete control over your data. Plus, the active community and the readily available documentation make it a really attractive option. I'm really impressed with this project.
I agree. It seems like a great project to keep an eye on. Thanks for bringing this to our attention.
My pleasure. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.